What if I told you that in Kenya right now, there are teens earning between 500 to over 100,000 shillings monthly from their phones? And no, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme or crypto nonsense. I'm talking about real proven methods that thousands of Kenyan youth are already using. With 27.4 million internet users and 91% mobile money penetration in Kenya, we're living in the golden age of online opportunities for teens. But here's the thing, most teens have no idea where to start. Today, I'm breaking down the 9 best ways to make money as a teenager in Kenya, and these aren't just theories. These are methods that are actually working right now. You see, last month I connected with Jennifer, a 17-year-old from Nakuru who started doing freelance writing 6 months ago. She now earns around 15,000 shillings monthly just from her laptop during her free time. And she's not alone. Thousands of Kenyan teens are discovering these opportunities every day. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to start earning money online as a teen in Kenya, even if you have zero capital to start with. So grab a pen, take notes, and let's change your financial future together. Method 1. Freelance writing. Let's start with freelancing because it's probably the most accessible way to earn serious money online. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, or even data entry, there's a market for your skills. Here's what's exciting about freelancing in Kenya. Writers can earn anywhere from 500 to several thousand shillings per article. Graphic designers and web developers, they command even higher rates. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're decent at writing. You start by offering article writing services at 800 shillings per 1,000 word article. If you write just 2 articles per week, that's 6,400 shillings monthly. As you improve and build your reputation, you could easily charge 2,000 per article or more. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even local Facebook groups are perfect starting points. Method 2. Content creation. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, these platforms are gold mines for creative teens. The beauty is you can literally start with your phone's camera. Content creators in Kenya are earning between 1,000 to over 100,000 shillings monthly through ad revenue, brand deals, and sponsorships. The key is finding your niche and being consistent. I mean, imagine you start a TikTok account teaching simple English phrases to your peers. After 6 months of posting daily, you reach 50,000 followers. At that point, you could charge brands 5,000, 15,000 shillings for sponsored posts, plus earn from TikTok's Creator Fund. Method 3. Social commerce through Twiva. This is where things get really interesting. Platforms like Twiva have revolutionized how young people can earn money without any upfront capital. Here's how it works. You sign up as an influencer and Twiva's AI matches you with products that fit your audience. You create content showcasing these products, and when people buy through your posts, you earn commissions. The best part? You don't need thousands of followers to start. Even with 500 engaged followers, you can begin earning. Method 4. Online tutoring. Are you good at math, English, or any subject? Online tutoring is huge right now, especially after the pandemic changed how people view online learning. You can tutor younger students or even your peers who are struggling with certain subjects. Platforms like Preply or even local WhatsApp groups can connect you with students. Let's say you charge 300 shillings per hour for math tutoring. If you tutor just 4 students for 2 hours each per week, that's 2,400 shillings weekly or about 9,600 monthly. Method 5. Online surveys and tasks. Don't underestimate the power of online surveys. While they won't make you rich, they provide consistent pocket money with minimal effort. Platforms like Google Opinion Rewards, Ajua, and Geopol offer 500 to 2,000 shillings monthly for sharing your opinions. The key is signing up for multiple platforms to maximize earnings. Method 6. Digital art and design. If you're creative, digital art and design services are in high demand. From designing logos to creating social media graphics, businesses are always looking for affordable design services. You can start with free tools like Canva or GIMP, then upgrade as you earn more. Suppose you design simple logos for small businesses at 1,500 shillings each. Creating just 4 logos monthly gives you 6,000 shillings, and as your skills improve, you can charge much more. Method 7. selling digital products. This is where you can really scale your earnings. Creating digital products like study guides, templates, or even simple mobile apps can generate passive income. For instance, if you're good at a particular subject, create comprehensive study notes and sell them to other students. Once created, these products can sell repeatedly without additional work. Method number 8, virtual assistant services. You see, many small businesses and entrepreneurs need help with basic tasks like social media management, email responses, or data entry. As a tech-savvy teen, you're perfect for these roles. Virtual assistants in Kenya can earn anywhere from 15,000 to 50,000 shillings monthly, depending on the number of clients and tasks handled. Last but definitely not least, method 9 to make money online as a teen in Kenya, affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning commissions on sales. The key to successful affiliate marketing as a teen is to only promote products you genuinely believe in and that are relevant to your audience. Here's an example. If you promote a study app that offers 20% commission and the app costs 1,000 shillings, you earn 200 per sale. Get just 5 people to buy monthly, that's 1,000 in commissions. Before you rush to try all these methods, here are crucial tips. 1. Start with one method. Don't try everything at once. Master one approach first. 2. Be patient and consistent. None of these are overnight success stories. Consistency is key. 3. Always deliver quality. Your reputation online is everything. Always exceed expectations. 4. Keep learning. The digital world changes fast. Keep updating your skills. 5. Save and invest. Don't spend everything you earn. Build your financial foundation early. Remember, we're living in an incredible time where a teenager in Kenya can build a legitimate income stream from their phone. Whether it's freelancing, content creation, or social commerce, the opportunities are real and accessible. The question isn't whether these methods work. They do. The question is, which one will you start with today? If this video opened your eyes to new possibilities, smash that like button and subscribe for more practical money-making content. Drop a comment telling me which method you're most excited to try. And hey, if you found this valuable, share it with other teens who could benefit from these opportunities. Disclaimer though, while I may include affiliate links in the description for tools and platforms mentioned, I only recommend services I genuinely believe can help you succeed. Some of the income figures mentioned are illustrative examples based on market research and may vary based on individual effort and circumstances. Remember, success in any of these methods requires consistent effort, continuous learning, and patience. Start small, stay committed, and your efforts will compound over time.